There are TikTok videos I've been watching the last couple of days from a 500-pound BOK chick. She says she can make 3,000 to 5,000 a week just working 2 hours a day, and I'm like, it's not possible.
I mean, you don't know. You don't know what kind of account she has. She might have a really good account, makes
Just
a lot
started.
of profit.
There's no way. I mean, you got to break into the business. You got to have contacts. You got to do this. You got.
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, you can't just off the gate. But
I mean, there are people who've been doing this 50 years that aren't doing that, and they're all online crashing. They're saying next year is going to be the freight broker, debacle.
I don't think so, because they're going to go back to their customers once the rates go crazy, and the customers are going to have to pay up anyways. I think what's going to happen is a lot of customers are going to go out of business because they're not going to be able to afford the freight rates, and it's going to cause all the smaller people to either try to raise their prices and pass it on to the consumer because of their freight charges, or they're just not going to be able to continue doing business anymore. That's the only options I really see that are going to happen, because it's going to be absolutely crazy. Because if you got like a company that's small and they're like, and they get hit with like a $5,000 freight charge, like they can't afford that shit. Or either that, or they're going to have to raise their product and their prices. And if they do that, they're not going to be able to compete in the market. So I mean, it's a lot of wild shit that's going to be going on in 2026. We'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens.
There's a lot of stuff that's floating through Congress about brokers and trucking companies, and we'll just have to see what gets passed or what.
Dude, nothing's gonna fucking, nothing's gonna happen. Like, I'm tired of seeing all these fucking people on the AFART and all this shit, broker train. Dude, none of that shit's gonna fucking happen, dude. I think they're working with something for the bond company. That's a good thing, right? To make sure you have a good bond company, not these BS ones. So there's certain shit that they're working on that might be good. But all this other shit they're talking about, dude, all these people are just doing this shit for the views to get followers on fucking on social media. Because none of this shit's even gonna fucking happen. Like, it isn't. Dust Star, you on here?
How you doing?
What's going on, buddy?
Oh, nothing. Illegal alien people try to get the licenses back through the California state. Can't do shit, nothing, which is a federal motor carrier is doing that. It's a good job.
Wait, you gotta explain one more time. So you're saying...
are you Indian?
No, he's fucking Polish.
Why?
What happened to that nationality question?
I forgot about it.
I'm not Indian. What's your problem with the nationality? I'm American.
He's Indian. That's why he's asking. He wants to know if you're his brother or not.
I don't give a damn about India. I'm American.
America, son. You hear that shit, Happy? America.
Since I fucking came a U.S. citizen, there's no Indian in me. That's American.
Oh, that's good. But what were you saying about California? What were you saying about California?
I said California, those people try to get the licenses back. Anything happens as like a ELD, they protested and nothing happened. And nothing going to happen now again.
And it's going through the court system next year.
Yeah, I just don't see it happening.
200,000 people think illegals think they have civil rights in this country.
Yeah.
And some lawyer was dumb enough to take it on, and the court was dumb enough to hear it. So,
yeah, that was nuts, bro. Like, they got.
And in the meantime, they're still allowed to work and operate.
No, not all of them, right? Not the ones that didn't pass the ELP are not able to.
No, that one. I mean, they also said 17,000 were revoked, and then California's reinstated them, and then they lost $50 million. Now they're fighting about that. New York, same way. It was like 20,000. So all these states now are saying you can't do this, you can't do that, and these Democratic federal judges. So this is all a mess till next year.
Yeah, I mean,
so like every time Trump does something, a federal judge says, "Oh, you can't do it," so we got to go to the Supreme Court. You've just never seen anything like this before. Federal judges can't step in on what the president says.
Yeah, Congress need to pass a law of this. Courts are.
Yeah, so all it's doing is it's holding up longer for them to clean up. So when you say, well, Trump's not getting anything done in Minnesota, they're making sure they dot all their I's and cross all their T's so they don't have this.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
so and nobody realizes that. Like, I was just on a live with a buddy of mine that I'm mod with, and he's like ranting and raving. I'm like, dude, they're just making sure this goes through because they did have a case where they found a unanimous jury vote, 7.2 million guilty, and the judge threw out the guilty verdict. So now they're having to appeal it to the Minnesota Supreme Court.
Wait, what? I missed. Sorry, I was looking at comments from another app. What happened with the Minnesota?
Okay, so there was a case, and this happened like about 6 weeks ago. A Somalian was found guilty of 7.2 million worth of fraud against the state of Minnesota. Unanimous verdict and guilty. And when they went to the sentencing, the judge threw it out. A female Democrat judge threw it out and said it was unconstitutional, civil rights, all this and that. So now they're appealing it to the Minnesota Supreme Court, which they'll overturn it and they'll reinstate the verdict. But this judge ran last couple years for re-election unopposed. But now people are waking up and they're going to run against him and get him out.
Yeah, I don't
So they'll
even.
probably be recalled, but it'll take a little while.
Yeah, but like, what are the people in Minnesota going to do? They're kind of screwed because they're outnumbered, right, with the votes and shit like that. So I mean, they can't
No,
really.
no, no. They're just. I mean, okay. So a lot of the reason why this was allowed to happen under Waltz is he abolished the office that audited all this stuff.